In the tapestry of marriage, amidst the ebb and flow of life, there lies a profound truth that every couple should cherish. Proverbs 19:14 reminds us that our spouse is not merely a companion, but a precious gift from the divine. Embracing this truth can transform the way we view our relationships. When we recognize our partner as a gift from God, we no longer perceive them as a random occurrence or a stroke of luck. Instead, we see them as a deliberate blessing bestowed upon us. This mindset shift shields us from seeing our spouse as a mistake or a burden. It elevates the sanctity of marriage to a sacred union orchestrated by a higher power. Your husband or wife is not just a person you stumbled upon in life. They are a divine gift, a testament to God's goodness and grace in your life. Remember, God's gifts are always good, and your spouse is among the greatest gifts you'll ever receive. Treasure them, cherish them, and honor the bond you share. Embrace your spouse as a divine gift, for in each other you'll find love, companionship, and the reflection of God's unconditional love. Cherish your spouse as a gift from above for a harmonious and blessed marriage. Always remember, your spouse is a precious gift from God. May this awareness guide you in fostering a loving and enduring relationship.